Hey you guys, it's Shelly. This is my quick review of the VEVOR Mechanic Garage Creeper. I was lucky enough to be asked by VEVOR to receive this for free in exchange for our honest and unbiased review. And I was super excited to get it because if you know me, you know we were always working on a vehicle. We always have something going on in the garage. It did come with 6 caster wheels that roll around, so you can completely roll in a circle if you want to. So we went to assembling the wheels on first, and then it does come with this nice little tray that you can connect to the side to put your tools or bolts, wrenches, whatever you need to just set in there. The cushion for your head is really nice because it does have 3 different positions, so you can tilt your head up if you need to while you're working on your car. You can kind of lay in the middle a little bit, or you can put it down completely flat. It does hold 300 pounds, so it's great for the bigger boys as well. And then we tried it out and it worked great. The wheels were awesome, so we can definitely say we would recommend this 100% to add to your garage.